Today we're diving into an important topic, and it's soft skills versus hard skills. Which one matters more? And what do parents look for when hiring a nanny? Let's find out. If we haven't met before, I'm Michelle Kelsey, founder of the Nanny Solution by Nannies on Call. Each week I bring you videos to educate you on finding better jobs and making more money. Let's dive right into it today. There are two types of skills that are important in nannying: soft skills and hard skills. And both are important to succeed at your job and stay with families for the long term. So let's dive into what each of them means and how you can utilize each to find and keep the best jobs. First, let's talk about hard skills. Hard skills are the concrete tasks that help you get the position. They're learned through school, training, or previous experience. Hard skills are easy to measure. Think of education, certificates, or degrees. Some of the hard skills when it comes to children and nannying are things like educating children. This is things like teaching basic skills and homework. Next would be sleep training, establishing and keeping sleep routines for young children. Things like understanding milestones, knowing which developmental stages children are at and what comes next. And nutrition, prepping healthy, nutritious snacks and meals, and knowing all about allergies and what's appropriate to feed children at the different ages they're at. Hard skills are essential because they can prove that you have the technical know-how to care for children properly. These are the skills that get you hired in the first place. Now let's move on to soft skills. These are harder to develop and often are a natural instinct that you have. Even though they come naturally, if you're aware of them, they are something that you can work to develop and grow. A few examples of soft skills are communication, listening without interrupting, speaking in a positive tone, paying attention to people's body language, negotiation, listening carefully, understanding the other's point of view, knowing your worth, and proposing mutually beneficial solutions, relationship building, helping others unconditionally. This is something that happens a lot in nannying and why people get into nannying, giving a lot of themselves. This part's very common. Of course, empathy, a genuine interest in others, looking at things from other people's perspectives, acknowledging people's feelings, and being supportive without judgment. Positive attitude, never gossiping or bad-mouthing anyone, and criticizing sparingly. Teamwork. These are all important, but this one's really important. Working with the parents and the family as a team. Avoid taking all of the credit. Celebrate everyone's wins. And working well with multiple personalities. So going into different homes and understanding what it means to work with different styles of personalities in the parents. Emotional intelligence. People with high emotional intelligence don't act impulsively. They understand their feelings and the consequences of their actions. And from there, they proceed accordingly. And finally, work ethic. People with strong soft skills take responsibility for their work. They deliver on time, they keep their commitments, and they don't deflect blame. Soft skills are harder to evaluate because they don't come through on your resume, but they're the things that keep you in the job long term. So which one's more important? And what do parents want to hire more? Hard skills are what gets you hired in the beginning. Soft skills are what makes you indispensable. It's that feeling that parents just can't live without you. And that's what you want to keep your job for the long haul. Parents look for someone who they can trust with their children and someone who can build positive, strong relationships. Hard skills are the foundation, and soft skills are the glue that holds everything together. You need both to be successful. Are there any skills that you feel are really important to keeping your job the long term? Do you know if they're hard skills or soft skills? Comment down below so we can learn from each other. Have a great week.